Character. One of the most overlooked things about the Forex market is people not knowing what kind of character they are, because that will ultimately represent what kind of trader you are. Now, knowing yourself. It seems a bit weird, but guys, get a plain piece of paper and write down stuff about yourself. Write down whether you like risk, whether you don't like risk, what kind of risk have you taken in life, and what percentage of your account you're happy with losing, and pretty much how much money are you okay with losing. Now, if you want to open a trading account, you do not want to suddenly be like, right, I'm okay, I won't really think about how much money I'm okay with losing. Let's start there. I won't really think about that. Certainly, you're a few £1,000s down and you're pulling your hair out, bashing your head against the computer screen going, I really need that money. Because you didn't really think about knowing yourself and finding out what you're okay with. Everyone has a certain percentage risk per trade that will change. Everyone has a certain amount of money that they're okay with losing due to their financial situation. So sit there, figure out your financial situation, figure out what kind of risk profile you are, and stick to it. Adopting your style. Now, everyone has a different style. Now, me in particular, I'm okay with not looking at the charts for a few days. I will place just a few trades a month with usually quite big take profits. Sometimes I can close my eyes, get on with life. Come back and view the charts here and there. Now, some other people, like for example Sean, will look at a chart a lot more than me and probably enter a lot more trades. That doesn't really sometimes mean necessarily more profits. It's just a different style to trading. Some people are intraday, sometimes you need to be intraday. Sometimes you've got to be in trades and hold the positions for a few days because the markets are sideways and you need to wait for it to break out. But understand your style. Understand, okay, every single day I'm okay with doing this, I'm okay with risking this. Because on a particular day, if you've not adopted your style and you've gone from risking 1% to like a 9% risk, everything will go downhill from there. You'll break your habit, you'll break your trading structure, and again, there's only one thing will happen then, you will lose money. Emotions. Everyone is different when it comes to handling emotions. I always say, when you're going to trade, wherever you're going to trade from, leave your emotions at the door. If you mix emotions with your trading, it's a recipe for disaster. Now, it's hard to separate your emotions from money, but that's why I say you have to be cold to money. Now, it's a brilliant feeling being cold to money. The best way I can really say it is, imagine your money is a small army, small amount of soldiers. Now, you send them to war. Now, there's a chance when they come back, there's not many soldiers as there was before. But there's a chance if you send them out to war, they come back with more soldiers. That's a good way to think of your money when it comes to trading. There's your trading account. You've put a trade out there, you either come back with less money or sometimes with more money. But it's a constant war against the markets. Be cold with money like that. End of the day, the ones that don't risk anything don't gain anything. You're either going to be safe or you're going to soar. But if you want to be safe, again, you're going to let the emotions get the best part of you and you're going to be like in love with money. And sometimes that's not a good love to have. You need to be able to step back and go, right, this risk to reward is worth it. Maybe in a trade, maybe in trading in general, maybe anything you want to do in life, look at the risk to reward, and if it's worth it, then sometimes you got to take the chance. Because that will help you become cold to money. There'll be no attachment. If you lose 2%, you'll be like, okay, you know what, that £1,000, yes, I could have done this, but I know I put it out there for a great opportunity. It didn't happen this time, but it could have happened. And you got to keep that positivity every single day. You got to keep that thinking of, right, I'm okay with this risk to know the reward is worth it. And that's what helps you gain discipline, risk to reward, good risk to reward, helps you leave your emotions at the door, helps you find your style, helps you find your character. We can teach 10 traders and all 10 will be different based on their character and risk reward appetite. Everyone is different. So find out yours, guys, pen and paper, understand it and adopt it.